Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
Check it out, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of our brand new Heartland 2XL model. Now, it's not quite finished yet, so I don't have the full walkthrough video, but I'm going to give you a behind-the-scenes look at a few of the different features / rooms of this house. You're really going to enjoy it, guys, so sit back and enjoy the show. Thanks.